Okay, hi everyone. I'm back again, here to show you some more of my outdoor gardening. This is more like container gardening that I do here in my home. I don't do a whole lot just because of my arthritis in my hands and my arms and hurt a lot. But I'm going to show you my tomatoes. These are kind of Roma tomatoes. They're all on the ground. They're supposed to be actually, growing on a vine, on a line or something, or on a pole. You can tie them and the tomatoes hang off and you just pick them off. But mine are all over the ground. Just forgive me, but I'll show you. Here they are. See, they're all over the ground and they're right over here by my porch. I don't want you to see too much because it's, the property is a train wreck at the moment. I'm working on it. But see how they spread all over the ground? This is the bucket that they're in, but they're all over the ground. See them? How they spread? And they come back every year because some of the tomatoes, I don't even take them all off because I have so many of them. But let me pick it up so you can see the little tomato on there. See the tomatoes at the bottom? This one just has that one because I've picked a lot of them already. There's another one right here just laying on the ground, waiting for somebody to pick it. You see it? Look where my fingers are. This is a little dirty because they're laying directly on the ground. Can you see them? They're all over the place. Sorry about the trash and stuff. I got to pick all that stuff up. But I just wanted you guys to see this is this is my life. You can do this. These come back every year. And that's basically what I do there. If you would like to trade some tomato seeds, I do have some different varieties. Some that I've traded with people over the years and some of my own personal ones that I collect from this crop. I'll try to dehydrate some of these and let them dissolve down into where I can get the seeds off of them again. And just go Green Gossip Girl. We are indoor gardening and outdoor gardening for the winter months. And this is a project that you guys can be doing while the government is shut down. It's very simple and easy. You just have to start 101 gardening and start to learn. You can do it. I mean, I've been doing it my whole life. So, a lot of the aquaponics, the outdoor gardening, the aeroponics that they do, all of the different types of ponics. And I'm going to show you something from my showcase gallery. These are things that you can be collecting in your journey. And try to write down and take photos of your journey as you go along. It'll help you in the long run. I'll be posting some of the stuff that I've done in the past so you can see what my successes are and some of my failures as well. And welcome, come on. My name is Princess Ariel from the Disney World Ariels, Disney Parks Magic Kingdom Parades Department Ariels back in the day. And yeah, so take a look at my showcase gallery. I'll put a product on this link. Go over to my showcase, check it out. There's lots of things that you can be purchasing to start your indoor and outdoor gardening. Thank you. Bye.
Transform your space with style and light. Bring nature indoors with the wall-mounted plant stand with grow lights, a stunning 6-tiered, waterproof, artistic display rack perfect for your living room, patio, or balcony. Features you'll love. Multi-pot capacity for all your favorite plants. Built-in grow lights for healthy, vibrant greenery. Space-saving curved design adds a modern touch. Waterproof and durable metal frame for long-lasting use. Whether you're creating an indoor garden oasis or showcasing your favorite flowers, this elegant 36-inch curved plant holder is the perfect blend of function and beauty. Shop now and save 15%. Bring your plant paradise to life today.